Recently, I was working with one of my clients on the sale of their home, and the experience reminded me of an old car commercial I once saw. The commercial was about a specialty four-wheel drive manufacturer comparing their product to the four-wheel drive products offered by other major auto manufacturers in the US. The commercial pointed out that pricing from the various manufacturers was basically the same, but showed that the features and construction methods of the specialty four-wheel drive manufacturer's product were superior to the competing products. The message from the specialty four-wheel drive manufacturer has stuck with me over the years. Their message was, our four-wheel drive systems are built in, not added on like an option, basically saying their product offering is better because it's all they built. So if you're looking to buy or sell a home and would like to see what it's like to work with a realtor who has full-time experience and knowledge built in, not added like an option, click on the link above this video to schedule a no obligation consultation with me. Thanks for watching and have a great day.